Is it time to replace your JLab earbuds?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are addressing an issue that many of you might be facing. Your JLab earbuds are not turning on even after trying all the troubleshooting steps. Let's dive into it and see if it's time to consider replacing your JLab earbuds.
Did you try all possible solutions?
Before you make the decision to replace your earbuds, it's important to ensure that you've tried all the possible solutions. This includes charging your earbuds fully, resetting them, and trying to pair them with different devices. If none of these steps work, you may want to contact JLab's customer support for further assistance.
How old are your earbuds?
It's also worth considering the age of your earbuds. If they're relatively new and still under warranty, you may be able to get them repaired or replaced by JLab. However, if your earbuds are older and no longer under warranty, it might be a good idea to consider getting a new pair.
What is the cost-benefit analysis?
You also need to conduct a simple cost-benefit analysis. Are the costs of repair, if not under warranty, justifiable compared to the price of a new pair of earbuds? Sometimes, it might be more cost-effective to just buy new earbuds, especially if your current ones have been giving you trouble. At the end of the day, the decision to replace your JLab earbuds depends on various factors such as the age of your earbuds, the warranty status, and the costs associated with repair versus replacement. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and contacted JLab's customer support to no avail, it's probably time to consider getting a new pair. We hope this video was helpful in guiding your decision, and as always, happy listening.